channel. Today I wanna show you how to make sweet potato in 2 different ways. You want to know how is it? Let's go together. First method is boiling, so I'm just going to boil this around medium temperature and for about 10 to 15 minutes it will be done. The final product of our first recipe, boiled sweet potato. You can have it in the breakfast with salad or any vegetable food type, and it's a healthy way of enjoying your breakfast. I told you that we are going to have 2 ways of making our sweet potato. So the first one we did was boiling, and the second one we are going to use this boiled potato to bake them, and this helps to bring more nice texture. It will be more crispy and you can enjoy it more than the boiled one. Let's go and do it. So, as usual, you have to preheat your oven at least 5 minutes before, and I'm going to set my temperature in 190 degrees, and they will stay for 10 to 15 minutes until they'll become crispy. So now my oven is already preheated, and I am going to bake for almost 15 minutes after sprinkling some oil on my sweet potatoes so that they can bake well. So let's wait for 15 minutes and we will see the final product. As you can see, our crispy sweet potatoes, they are almost done. I hope you have learned an easy way and healthy way to enjoy chips with using sweet potatoes. You can also use normal Irish potato. Enjoy and see you in the next video.